guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and today I have a Toki box for you. So this is my second Toki box. I got my first one last month and it is a $35 a month vegan lifestyle box. You get some snacks, maybe some skincare, beauty products, things like that. And it's all vegan, cruelty-free, organic, all natural type of stuff. So I really enjoyed my last box. I'm really excited about this one. So let's just see what's in here. Toki box, a vegan Friendsgiving. That's cute. This is the November box after all. Okay, all right, so the first thing I see in here is Midflower Bulgarian Rose Water Mask. Oh, that's fun. Sheet mask. Oh, there's two of them. Two sheet masks. And these are supposed to be deep moisturizing and brightening. That's fun. Those are exciting. Focused Energy Cacao, Addictive Wellness Elixir Blends. Is this hot cocoa? Yeah, this is hot cocoa. Heirloom cacao and super herbs. Vegan and paleo friendly, sugar-free, gluten-free, super herbs. Okay, interesting. So this is like vitamins disguised as hot cocoa. My favorite. I'm totally excited about trying this. Okay, what is this cute little thing? Look at this cute little bag. Skin Glow Eye Serum. Oilliving Life. Oh, and here's a little coupon for Oilliving Life. Oh, that's fun. Oilliving Life only uses the purest ingredients on earth, biocompatible with the body, enhancing the skin's ability to regenerate itself. It's very lightweight. It has a scent to it. You know, kind of smells like herbally, but it's not super like oily or anything. This will be interesting. I'm curious to try this on my actual eye area, you know? Roller balls like this are actually supposed to be really good for this area too, you know, just to like help bring circulation to the area. So that's really interesting. I'm excited to try that. Ooh, some metal straws. And it comes with a little straw cleaner, which is nice. Oh, that's cool. These are big long ones too. And I like that they have the bendy end. Some cookies, vegan and gluten-free mini cookies. Sweet potato millet. Interesting. Should I taste them? Let's taste them. Let's taste them. I do like sweet potato. Sweet potatoes. Oh, crunchy. Ooh, maybe these need to be, I think I need tea with this or something. They're really dry. So the flavor's not bad, they're just really, really dry, that's all. But I think, you know, these might be good with tea. And then, oh, another thing from Oilliving Life, UpGo Energizing Spray. Use as a body, room, yoga mat, or linen spray. Okay, so this isn't like a facial spray, this is, you could use it on your body or in your room. Let's spray it over here. Smells clean, kind of citrusy. Not overly antiseptic, which is nice. Well, that is fun. What a great box. This is such a neat box. I will leave all of the information in the description box so you guys can check it out. I know they've had sales recently. I don't know how long those are going to last, but with all the Black Friday, Cyber Monday stuff, there's been a lot of deals. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!